I am Alka Chaturvedi. I am chartered accountant by profession, but my passion is astrology. I did Jyotirvid and Jyotirvisharad from Bhavans, Mumbai, and Hora Ratnam and Hora Vachaswati from KP Staller Institute of Chennai. And I learned about psychological astrology from Faculty of Astrological Studies, UK. Today we'll be talking about Aquarius. Aquarius is the 11th sign of zodiac and it is ruled by Saturn and Uranus. Where Uranus signifies independence, intelligence, rebel attitude, innovativeness, technology, and sudden changes. And Saturn signify control, responsibility, duty, principles, and justice. The symbol of Aquarius is water bearer. It means pouring water of understanding and spiritual knowledge for the benefit of humanity without considering the status or belief. It's an airy sign which signify communication, networking, ideas, logic, analysis, quick wit, and cooperation. And it's a fixed sign, so these people are determined, persisting, and tenacious. Aquarian can be easily identified in a crowd with their unique style of dressing. It's always a bit different. These are humanitarian, democratic, and idealistic people. They believe in equality, so they work for the uplift of underprivileged and help them to get equal status in life. They believe in justice for all, so they stand against injustice prevalent in the society. They are far ahead from their contemporaries. They are truthful, rational, and logical people. So they feel suffocated in emotionally charged environment. They are social, but they are a bit detached. They generally have big friend circle than the close friend circle. They are also called universal friend. They are genius and do not follow outdated traditions. They are rational, intellectual, and independent. They neither accept people on their face value, nor they accept any gossip running about them or about their friends in the society, but they try to find out or understand the fact on their own. Tradition and hypocrisy do not impress them. They have an obsession for hygiene and can easily get affected by any kind of allergy. It is seen that Aquarius people has to go through abrupt and damaging changes in their personal or professional life at least once in their lifetime. They are bold and outspoken, so they may have to deal with controversy from time to time. They seem to be humane and have a lot of patience with people. They do not like and keep distance with overbearing people. Aquarian loves to resolve mystery and they are quick learner. When they see some new concept, they study it in detail and make their own opinion. For once they have decided on some idea, they remain firm on their opinion and defend it. They are original and gives expert advice on variety of topics. They seem to enjoy modern music or anything related with technology. They are wise, but they do not accept their mistake. They have casual attitude, so they avoid precise appointment or formal setup. The profession which suits to them are, they can be professors, scientists, technicians, information technology, astrologers, and social worker. They can be social worker also. The body part ruled by this sign are ankle and nerves, and if they don't take care of, and the circulatory system also, and if they don't take care of their health, then they may suffer from problem related with these organs. The famous personality of Aquarius are Shakira, Oprah Winfrey, Preeti Zinta, and Abhishek Bachchan. Thank you.